Hi, it's Anna with WTI. I have been scared to use these for the longest time, but that is no longer true. After complaining about my facial hair and getting it waxed and still having facial hair, my friend convinced me to try them. I'm very happy I did because my face is smoother than it ever has been, even right after getting it waxed. They're very simple to use and they're very ergonomic. You can use them no matter if you're going this way or this way. They're very ergonomic. I also like that all of them come with a case so the extra ones don't have sharp razors. And another nice thing is it comes with this cap, which you can slide on, and then just a little bit of the razor shows, which is really nice for small areas like your eyebrows to get really close. I was really impressed with not only that it removed the hair, it removed all the peach fuzz. I could also see dead skin on it. So it really does exfoliate your face. So I highly recommend these. But that's just my point of view.